Hi guys, today we'll design a basic website designing by using WordPress. In digital marketing, we don't use any coding for designing websites. By using WordPress only, we can create. To design a website in WordPress, first we need domain and hosting. Without domain and hosting, it is impossible to design a website. We can There are different types of domain and hosting providers such as Bluehost. There are different types of providers: Bluehost, GoDaddy, Big Rock, Namecheap, all are same, but the prices are maybe different. But in my experience, Bluehost is very good, provides a good customer service and good fast loading websites. If we face any problems also, they will instantly help by call. So these are the WordPress hosting providers and domain providers. We can purchase the domain hosting by using any type of websites like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Namecheap. After purchasing, you can see this dashboard. This is the official WordPress dashboard. Here you can see the different types of options like pages, posters, all options. In designing, we need to maintain two tabs every time because then only we don't confuse. By default, it comes for a empty page. And now we make a simple dental clinic website or just explore few steps in WordPress. What are the pages? What are the posters? So first we decided we have to make a dental websites. In general dental websites, you can see the examples: Apollo Hospital. We can see the different types of pages here. Not here. Like this kind of pages: vision, mission, about, leaderships, like services. And you can see the better reference Yashwant Hospital. General any website, you can see the pages like home page, about us page, contact us, yes, see, about us, locations, careers, contact us. These are all pages. And under these are services like Somajigoda, not these are locations. And here you can see the services like mother and child, neurology, orthopedics, robotic science, cardiology. These are the all services. Now we can just make a pages like about us, contact us, and services. So you can see this dashboard. Just see on the left side, you can see the pages. Just click on pages, add new, it's loading. Yeah, by default comes, just click on the into button. It's new website, right? So home, just publish, again publish. You can also have add here page, add new page, but you have to exit. Click on this W, like this big W, click this, you can back, and after again one more page. Just wait 1 second. Into button, about us, publish, publish, again back. Just add new page. Just wait 1 second. Click on into, contact us, publish, publish, exit. Now we create three pages: home, about us, contact us. Now one more page: services. Publish, exit. In services also, you can take three services like gynecology, publish, and new, cardiology, one more with, like, take simple, this normal, take the dental, publish. Now we created all these pages. Now we can see how is our website, like pages. Just click on refresh. We can see this about us, cardiology, contact us, dental, gynecology, home, sample page also there. It was default come and services. But these are not in proper way because initially home is the first, services next, about us, contacts final, and these are come under services. We can make it arrange. Just exit. For this, we have to add a new theme, any theme, basic theme. Then we can it come under proper way. In WordPress, we can see the themes in appearance. Just appearance under comment section and above plugins. Click on appearance. We can see theme options. Click on theme. In digital marketing, whoever started their career, choose first is minimize theme. If anyone start with their career in digital marketing, that to website designing with minimize, it is very easy theme, understand easy options, helps to without any confusion. And after coming back, we can explore the different types of themes, multiple themes. But basically, it is the best for recommending theme. Just actually, in my dashboard is already installed. Otherwise, you have to add new and install. So it was already installed. So just click on activate. It was activated, and now we can see our theme is applied. Home, about us, cardiology, contact us come. But again, these are coming under services, not in this full-time page. So just we can make it again. Just in appearance, we can the menu option. Click on menu, any name like ABC, new, XYZ, your name also. Just it don't appear in the website, just for our reference. Primary, create menu. Need to add all these pages. No need to add the sample page. We can make it proper way. Home first, about next, services next, and finally contact us. Now display location is the primary header. Save it. Don't forget to save, otherwise your data will be collapsed. Here come home, about the services. But see again, dental, cardiology, this not come under services. So we can make to change again. Just to drag down under, just right side click, just move forward. Now it will become, just drag and drop. Now save it. Now you see, have you seen it? Now come under services area. So this is the way we can make pages and create services. Okay, today we can see we can apply the minimize theme and created the pages and services. Next, tomorrow we can make it full-fledged, not full-fledged, like a basic dental clinics, but by changing the slides and this information, we can make a logo here, and we can give the small icon like this image. We can make this, we can create this image also by, we can add this image also. Generally, we can see the small logo, this G hosting, hosting this Bluehost logo, this Google logo. We can also give our web clinic or hospital logo also. Tomorrow we explore more options. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and in digital marketing. Thank you.